channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe and hit that bell so you can get all of the notifications when I post a new video. I'm trying to be more consistent these days. Okay, so today's hair. I know I'm changing my wigs up consistently. It's like you can't even keep up, but that's why these YouTube videos are here, so I can keep you updated and you can know all of the information. So the hair that I'm wearing today is from AliPearl hair. I'm wearing their Brazilian deep wave in inches 22, 24, 24. They did send me 4 bundles of 20, 22, 24, and 24. However, I did not use the 20-inch bundle, and I'm actually going to show it to you guys so you guys can see it. Okay, so this is the deep wave bundle, you know, unmanipulated, untouched, still in bundle form. So this is how full the bundles are. I did use, I don't believe I used all 3 bundles, but I use a majority of the 3 bundles, and then I have this left over, so you can get away with using 3 bundles, and I have it in 24 inches, so that's actually a really good thing to not have to go over and use 4 bundles with inches like 24 inches. So the bundles are actually really full, so that's a plus. I haven't actually measured the hair to see if it's true to length. I assume it's true to length. I don't see why it wouldn't be, but for the most part, I actually chose this hair texture because normally when I buy curly hair, I don't like to straighten it, simply because with curly hair I get curly hair simply for the pattern, and I, you know, don't want to alter it, don't want to manipulate it, don't want to mess it up. However, seeing as this is not technically really curly hair, it is deep wave, I plan on straightening it, or at least testing to see how it does straighten eventually, just to see how everything comes out, to see if it straightens really nicely, if it reverts back. If it reverts back, that's actually very, very freaking awesome. But if it doesn't, that sucks. But this is my initial review because I just started wearing hair. Literally, like, I just washed and, you know, put this wig together. Well, I didn't just make it, I made it like a couple weeks ago, but I just put it together to film. I have a video of me actually, you know, prepping the wig for this video, and it's probably going to be a video following after this video, how to style your deep wave hair. I don't wear my bundles, my deep wave or curly bundles, directly out of unraveling them and making a wig. I have to manipulate them with water, conditioner, and like a paddle brush to get the look that I want. So as you can see, this is a lot different than this. And of course, you know, the manipulation plays a part, and then this hair is actually still wet. So this is not the final form of the hair. It actually is thickening up, you know, as it dries gradually, because at first it was kind of just like, ugh. But now it's kind of thickening up. It's really soft. And I actually, after I brushed through this hair with my paddle brush, as you guys are going to see in the video following this one, I actually used a rat tail comb to comb through the hair, and I actually got through all of the hair with just this rat tail comb. And this was the shedding I was faced with, which is not bad at all for deep wave hair, so that's actually a plus. But the hair is actually really, really soft. I don't really have much to say about it right now because, like I said, I just put the wig on, but for the most part I'm not experiencing any type of crazy shedding. I was able to brush through the hair fairly easily. All I had to do was just wet the wig and then brush from the bottom up, and then I just kind of went from there. But this is definitely here for the summertime. It's like March here and it's cold as hell. So I'm definitely gonna put this in the archives until it warms up a little bit, because you're not about to catch me walk outside with wet hair, and I just couldn't go outside with the wig looking the way it did after I just made it, you know, completely just too uniform, not natural looking to me. So, you know, I had to go in and throw my little shebang bang in it. But this is 24 inches. Normally I don't get curly hair this long, but it's deep wave. Okay, let me correct myself. It is deep wave hair and not curly hair. So I feel like it makes a difference. And when I pull it down, it actually comes in my butt crack. So it will be interesting if I do straighten this hair out. If I don't, it really doesn't matter. But this is definitely gonna be some summer hair. I'm going to Vegas in July, so I feel like this is actually gonna be the perfect candidate for me to take with me. But Y'all, for the most part, I really don't have anything bad to say about this hair. It smells like, it just smells like hair. Like, it don't smell like corn chips or feet or anything, because y'all know how some companies can be from overseas. But for the most part, this hair does not have a chemical smell. It just smells like hair. It doesn't smell like chemical. It doesn't smell like factory. It just smells like bundles. So yeah guys, that is pretty much my initial review for this hair by AliPearl. This is their Brazilian deep wave, inches 22, 24, 24. All information about this hair will be linked down below in the description box, and make sure you guys watch my video of me actually styling this wig before putting it on my head. And as you guys already know, okay, just so simple, boom. That's why I love wigs. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. I give you my wig.